Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share another fall idea that I have, and I also have a review for you guys. A company contacted me by the name of FitVille. They sent me over 3 running shoes and a pair of slippers to give my honest review on. So I'm going to share that with you guys a little later in the video. First, we're going to start with today's DIYs. So, and if it's your first time here, I'd like to say welcome. And I do hope you hit that subscribe button on your way out. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. So without further ado, let's get into today's DIYs. Okay everyone, I have these 2 pumpkins here that I found from the Dollar Tree. Aren't they cute? They're flat. Oh, I love that. Oh, they just lay down flat like that. So I'm just going to use some black acrylic paint and some silver acrylic paint and paint our 2 pumpkins. And for our silver pumpkin, I'll be painting the stem black. On to our next pumpkin. This one, the stem is going to be silver and the pumpkin is going to be black. Alright, we have one of these small round vases from the Dollar Tree. And I have one of the, I think it's applique gems from Totally Dazzled. I'll put the name here in case I'm pronouncing it wrong. And they come with a very strong adhesive on the back. So we're just going to peel it back and lay it onto our vase. Now I have some of this black GLAM chain here. And I'll be using some E6000 to lay it going around our vase. I just need you to understand just what I mean when I say I made a mistake. And I'm also adding some of the silver GLAM chain going around the vase. And again, I'll be placing another round of the black chain. So, I am going to quickly get in our sponsorship today. Like I told you, today's video is sponsored by FitVille. So I'm just going to show you guys the items that I got from them. Okay everyone, like I said before, I was sent some shoes from FitVille to do a review on. So let's get right into it. Okay, when they contacted me, I was so happy because they're running shoes. They come in wide width. They come with a comfort sole. They come with shock absorbent. And they're good for people who have a problem with plantar fasciitis. I think that's how you pronounce that right across here. With their feet, which I do have that problem. Yes, I do. And I also get swelling and stuff in my feet because of my medication. And I take, sometimes my feet are okay, sometimes they swell a bit. So I was so happy when I read all this on their site. So let's get into the shoes that they sent me to do the reviews on. Okay, so they come in a box like this, and this is how they are inside. And each shoe comes in its own little shoe bag. So this is the first pair here. They're very nice. They're gray with a touch of blue and some pink on the back of the shoe. And they are wide width. They do have regular width too, not only wide width. They come in regular width too. You order what you want. And the size I took is the women's 11 and a half. Yeah, because my feet swell. Like I said, because of my medication and stuff like that. So I was so happy because I cannot find my size in the running shoes in women because of this problem I have with my feet. And here I have a slippers. Yeah, look at this. It is a slippers and they can open up. You can adjust it If it's a little too tight or if it's a little too big, you can adjust the straps, which is nice. I love these because your girl has not worn any slippers all summer because my feet swell. I cannot find anything that fits, and it fits and my feet are not swollen, but when my feet swell, I can't wear them back home. You know, I always have to bring an extra pair of shoes in my car. But I love these. And then we have these pair here. They're good for if you have knee troubles too. Yes, they are. If you have problems with your knees, that would be great to have on some shoes that from FitVille, because they cater to the needs of your feet. You know, not just regular everyday wear and tear. If you have issues with your feet, with your knee, FitVille, they really do cater to our feet. And then we have this one here, which is white and blue. I like this one. And it's a leather looking material. I didn't check the chart to see exactly what kind of material it is, but it's nice. This blue and white. And these ones I think are the tennis shoes, they call them. Yeah, these ones are called tennis shoes. And the insole can come out in these ones. See, there it is. It can lift right out. I'm not going to take it all the way out right now, but you do have the option to lift it out if you choose to. All right, everyone, I'm going to leave the link below to FitVille so you guys can check them out, see what they have, and hopefully you find something that's comfortable for you. Yeah. All right, everyone, let's get back into today's DIY. All right, everyone, we have our first pumpkin here, and I'm going to put some of the black glam chain and the silver glam chain using some E6000 going right around our pumpkin. And now that our two pieces are done, I'm just going to use some E6000 and glue them together. And here is our finished look. Our glam pumpkin. I love how it looks. A very nice and easy pumpkin design to do, and I love the flat pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. Aren't they cute? I think it looks absolutely lovely. A lovely piece of decor for your home or even outside in your backyard on the table. I think it looks lovely. And here we go with some string lights inside. I think this brings it to the next level, and like I said, it would look so lovely on your front porch or your back porch towards the evening, and you just have the lights on and enjoy yourself outside. I think it looks super cute. And here it is with the lights dimmed a little lower. It will look lovely inside your home also, not only outside. Anywhere you'd like to place it throughout your home will look beautiful. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of pumpkin DIY number 1. And now for our second DIY pumpkin. I have another vase from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some of this glam sheet here, which I cut into strips, and we're going to decorate our vase. And these strips do come with a self-adhesive on the back. Now we are going to place another one of these lovely gems that I got from Totally Dazzle. I'll put the name across the screen because you know your girl is pronouncing everything wrong. Yeah, I am. But you know what I mean. And again, they have the nice adhesive on the back. So we're just going to place it going on our vase. So I'm just going to use some hot glue at the top and the bottom because there's no adhesive on these two sections here. So I'm just placing some hot glue to help glue them down. And now I'm going to take some small strips and just decorate the rest of our vase. And I'm going to use the same strips and decorate our silver pumpkin going right around. And once again, we're going to take our two pieces and glue them together. Here's the finished look for our DIY pumpkin number 2. I love how it turned out. I think they look very nice. A beautiful pumpkin decor for this fall season for 2022. And they were so easy to make. And here we go with the tea lights inside. I love how they look with the tea lights inside. Absolutely beautiful. Anyways, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 2. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome once again. And I do hope you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And to my oldies but goodies, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIYs. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.